Okay, we have a lot of chatter on social media about what appears to be a new drone or even multiple drones coming from Chinese company Insta, the people who currently pretty much own the 360 camera market, although it will be interesting to see how that might change quite soon, of course. In a world where DJI are now looking at releasing 360 cameras, it seems a little fitting perhaps that Insta are looking at drones. Of course, it didn't work out too well for GoPro trying the same thing, but we will see. It would also make some sense in terms of a lot of the Insta360 products that are currently used in the drone world by hobbyists and professionals alike. The amount of information has just tipped the balance to be something I felt worthwhile coming to talk to you, our audience, about. Drone users will know the Insta products called the Sphere, which was intended to provide 360 drone footage, removing the drone, giving the invisible drone effect. Well, looking at the limited images of the so-called Antigravity drone, the brand name on this pre-production picture, it appears the drone is designed to take that concept to the next level by providing the platform as well. You can clearly see that the shapes at the front of the drone appear to give a similar field of view to the Sphere product. We do not, however, expect this drone to be directly marketed under the Insta brand, although it may well be sold by their outlets. Sources tell us that a separate company has been registered in China, the Shenzhen Tingling Technology Company Limited, and several verified social media accounts have also been registered for the Antigravity brand, especially in China, of which the logo can be seen here. There are also more design and brand links when you look deeper into the Chinese characters, etc. But we'll back away from that particular deep dive for this quick update video. Could this decision to build the brand under a different company be a reaction to the hard times that Insta's competitor GoPro found themselves in? Although GoPro had many more issues that many people point out to, including bizarre management issues, there is no doubt the heavy investment and then the failure of the Karma drone from GoPro hit their brand and financial status hard. So perhaps Insta are looking to protect their main brand, or perhaps I'm reading too much into that point. What do you think on that? Let me know in the comments. The drone looks from the images we have to be a small, possibly mini style drone with folding arms. So perhaps this drone is looking to capitalize on the hugely popular sub 250 gram market. That again would make a lot of sense for a new drone product right now, wouldn't it? What do you think? Would you be interested in a 360 focused drone? Presumably there's going to be the option to record in some form of standard modes as well. I'm not sure a pure 360 drone would have the market, but I'm not a user of the 360 cameras, and I know the fan base for the products is huge across the world, especially in Asia. What price point and what spec would you need to see if this drone were to tempt you to either leave DJI or add yet another drone to the collection, which is frankly more realistic, isn't it? Let me know again in the comments below. One question we have already had from viewers on this drone already is, would this be an alternative for the US market with all of the issues DJI are facing at the moment? My view is potentially some limited short-term benefit if the drone was released within weeks. However, it is likely that 2026 will bring US legislation to either stop the import or heavily tariff all Chinese drones, so any relief would really be short-lived. Either way, it is exciting to see more drone products even being rumoured by others in the camera space. We also have the image of what looks to be a Whoop-style FPV quad. Now, it has a very car industry looking design, doesn't it? Almost trying to hide the finer details of the design. But actually, I think that might also be more to do with being able to mask the drone within its camera AI system when it is operating as a 360 drone. Any more that we hear, I will let you know. So subscribe if you're new and hit the like button if you're one of my regulars that are still watching. Sean out.